Hello viewer, welcome back to our channel. I'm Thamizharasu, your business coach. Today, we are going to delve into an essential tool to drive strong leads and conversions, the marketing funnel. We will uncover how this tool can be a game changer for your digital strategies. So, buckle up and let's dive into the world of marketing funnels. 1. Understanding the concept of a marketing funnel. First and foremost, a marketing funnel is a model that represents the journey a customer goes through, from the first interaction with your brand to the final purchase. It's a gradual process of attracting, nurturing, and converting leads into customers, ensuring your marketing efforts are not only effective but also efficient. 2. The importance of a marketing funnel in digital strategies. Digital marketing strategies without a well-planned marketing funnel may lead to wasted efforts. A funnel helps to identify and focus on the areas that need improvement, ensuring a higher conversion rate and a better customer experience. 3. Anatomy of an effective marketing funnel. An effective marketing funnel consists of 4 stages: awareness, interest, decision, and action. Each stage requires a unique strategy to effectively move the customer to the next stage, ultimately leading to a successful conversion. 4. The 4 stages of a marketing funnel: awareness, interest, decision, action. Let's break these stages down. In the awareness stage, potential customers become aware of your brand. In the interest stage, they learn more about your products or services. In the decision stage, they evaluate whether your offer meets their needs. Finally, in the action stage, they make the purchase. Understanding and optimizing each of these stages is key to a powerful marketing funnel. 5. Techniques to optimize your marketing funnel. From creating engaging content and offering value through emails to leveraging social media platforms, there are a plethora of ways to optimize your marketing funnel. The goal is to not only attract leads but also nurture them into becoming loyal customers. 6. How to increase conversion rates at each stage of the marketing funnel. Increasing conversion rates at each stage requires a deep understanding of your customer's journey. By optimizing content, personalizing interaction, and providing unparalleled customer service, you can ensure that leads are smoothly transitioning from one stage to the next. 7. Case study: successful application of a marketing funnel. Moz, a software as a service (SaaS) company specializing in inbound marketing and marketing analytics, provides a perfect example. Awareness: Moz started by creating awareness through targeted content marketing. They published a wide array of SEO and online marketing guides, blog posts, and free tools to generate organic traffic and build brand authority in the SEO sphere. Interest: once they had the audience's attention, Moz worked on cultivating interest. They accomplished this by offering free trials of their premium products, thus letting their users test and experience the value of their services firsthand. Decision: the decision phase was fueled by highlighting the benefits of the premium versions of their tools and providing comparisons with competitors, thus positioning their products as the best choice in the market. Action: finally, Moz made the action stage as frictionless as possible. They offered straightforward pricing plans and made the sign-up process quick and easy. They also provided clear calls to action throughout their site to guide users through the conversion process. 8. Leveraging social media in your marketing funnel. Social media platforms serve as excellent tools to attract and engage potential customers, acting as a pipeline into your marketing funnel. From running targeted ad campaigns to engaging with followers, social media can significantly boost your funnel's effectiveness. 9. Email marketing: nurturing leads through the funnel. Email marketing remains a powerful tool for nurturing leads through the funnel. By providing valuable content and engaging with customers on a personal level, you can keep your leads warm and guide them towards the final purchase. 10. Measuring and analyzing the performance of your marketing funnel. Once you've established your marketing funnel, it's crucial to constantly measure and analyze its performance. This isn't just about seeing how many sales you've made, it's about understanding where your strategy is working, where it's falling short, and where there's room for improvement. Firstly, you need to identify your key performance indicators, KPIs. These are measurable values that demonstrate the effectiveness of your strategy at each stage of the funnel. Some examples of KPIs include traffic sources, bounce rate, and conversion rate at each stage of the funnel. Next, you need to dive into the data. This involves looking at your KPIs, customer behavior, and the overall effectiveness of your marketing funnel. Analyzing this data provides invaluable insights into your customer's journey and helps you to identify any bottlenecks or weak points in your funnel. Once you've gathered and analyzed your data, you can then start to make strategic decisions about how to optimize your marketing funnel. This might involve tweaking your content strategy, adjusting your email marketing campaigns, or retargeting your social media ads, all based on the insights gained from your analysis. That's all for today, folks. I hope this deep dive into marketing funnels has been beneficial for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful business content. Until next time, I'm Thamizharasu, your business coach, signing off.